how to schedule a sent email in your Outlook. Now you should be able to do it directly over here once you press on new email. So if you press a new email over here, you should be able to get the schedule option here. But it's also much better to just expand this so that you will be able to get a greater view of the mail itself. But again, in general, it should just be found over here. So you press on the more send options and press on the schedule send. So you can go ahead and choose when you want it to be. Let's say tomorrow. These are the custom or the set times already, but you can choose a custom time. So currently it's February 15. Let's say you want this to be sent in Saturday in next week. So we're just gonna go ahead and choose this option over here, which is February 21. Then you're gonna select a time, so what time you want it to be in February 26, 21 I mean. And you can just go ahead and type in a specific time if you want it to be super specific, but there's options here available if you'd like. So let's say I want it to be sent early in the morning where everyone pretty much wakes up, I suppose. And you can just go ahead and press on send over here and make sure you have your details already. So where do you want this to be sent? I mean, whom you want it to be sent to, your subject, and pretty much everything else. So put in mind that the schedule send over here is the last thing you're gonna do. So put in your details over here, your email, but once it's all placed in, just go ahead and press on the schedule send. But that's pretty much how you do a send schedule on your Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.